open. Dad, leave this open for a minute. I hear horns and I'm looking, I don't see a rig. I think you guys are back there. I'm looking out the window. I don't see any rigs.
Matt, I miss that jacket. Cherish every moment you have with it. And sooner or later, they get it.
My cold dead hands.
Yeah, my shit ripped off right here. Ripped off and it just
We're backing up right here.
They'll fix it.
All right, you can make it.
You can make it.
Cross at your own risk.
Yeah, no, it just ripped off.
Yeah, send it out.
Makeshift though.
You got another jacket though, right?
The other one's
Bam.
burnt. Yeah.
He was like, tell him to get a new jacket. It was the house inspection. I was like, yeah, I'll get right on that.
Yeah. It's even more valuable in the coat.
Oh, pants. Yeah, you know what? They're actually not bad. Pants are the things that break in. They don't feel much different than I have these jackets. This jacket is soft.